For our book trade show, we did Machine Platform Crowd, Harnessing Our Digital Futures. My name is Stefan Rust,
My name is Wei Yoshi.
and let's get started.
Okay, please allow me to introduce the contents of this book to you guys. Generally speaking, there are three very important points listed in the book. First of all, it is about the connection between mind and machine. Specifically, it said that machines can help people to make strategic decision making through artificial intelligence. Like Tesla is trying to build up connections between human brains and computers. You can think of it in that way if you want. Okay, as for the second part, it is about the integration of product and platform. So it said that people can kind of gather all the products together in a certain platform to allow managers to easily manipulate all the individual products. As for the third one, it is about the balance of core and crowd. Well, in translation, it is to collect data from decentralized departments and convert that data to information for upper management to make strategic decisions.
To give a little context on the authors and when it was published, the Machine Platform Crowd was published in 2017. The authors Andrew McAfee and Eric Brynjolfsson are both faculty at MIT, but they focus on business academia. It really only makes sense that they would see the connections between new technologies in the business world by being at a tech-focused university.
As for the context, we are really living in a digital world where society requires a lot of efficiency. As you can see here, there are three giant internet companies listed: YouTube, Apple, and Google. I think they are really taking advantage of this digital world. And the second context is about the surging trend of artificial intelligence. With the help of artificial intelligence, people can perform operational tasks and minor strategies in a better way. As for the third one, it is about the development of robotics. So companies purchase robots for their automation level increasing when it comes to the production. In this way, they can decrease the product's cost and the manufacturing errors to produce better products with low unit cost. So they can increase the profitability and gain a higher efficiency. As for the communication part, I think the biggest bias of this book is that the authors exaggerate the power of artificial intelligence, because I don't think current technology can completely achieve what is listed in that book. But in the future, the technology might be more advanced, so who knows? As for the purpose, I think the authors want to present that machine can replace minds. In other words, they believe artificial intelligence can be a very good partner for people to make decisions. And the intended audience of this book are future managers and those who need artificial intelligence and machine data to make decisions.
Moving on to our connections, there are a few major points. First, be on the lookout for new technologies. You never know when the next new technology will come around and simplify or take over parts of your job. Excel came out in 1987 and made calculators obsolete in accounting. The next is use data for decisions. Data-driven decision-making is becoming more and more standard across industries. Just look at precision agriculture and its impact on farms. Lastly, don't be afraid to hire outside traditional skill sets. While individuals trained in the relevant field are highly desirable, sometimes, and oftentimes as the authors might say, big breakthroughs can come from those outside of a given field. Moving on to our conclusions, the first has to do with the machine. So the shift from mind to machine has brought about the potential to change the way we work. One idea is to integrate two machine learning algorithms together to create a system that can read the news and make a prediction on how the markets may react on it to build better investment advice.
The second conclusion is drawn based on the production and platform connection. Specifically, we can kind of get an Internet of Things. This is an application of 5G technology, and it can strengthen interactions between people and machines. If you want a more concrete example, I would say that, have you ever seen the delivery robots on Purdue campus? I mean, the cute white little moving boxes. They are actually very good examples illustrating the Internet of Things. Those individual robots are connected together through the Internet of Things to better perform the tasks of delivery.
And lastly, the crowd. The shift from core to crowd changes who does the work. Imagine a business simulation where teams compete against one another by making high level business decisions and the insights that data might bring for decision makers in a real business. Thank you for listening in to our little discussion on Machine Platform Crowd. If you're interested, you can check it out on Amazon for only $10.74 on Kindle or $16.25 for a hardcover copy. That is on Prime, so use your Purdue accounts while you still can.
Yeah, thank you.
Thank you.